Hello everybody, I am Anita Yadav SS teacher from Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am discussing class 8th lesson 2 geography, natural resources, land, soil and water. As you already learned in lesson 1 geography, about natural resources. What are natural resources? Natural resources which we get from the nature are called natural resources. Natural resources can be classified into two groups, biotic and abiotic. Biotic means all living things, like example plants and animals also. What are abiotics? Abiotic non-living things like land, soil and water. So in this lesson we will learn about the abiotic natural resources. Our life is dependent on three most important natural resources. What are they? They are land, soil and water. Why they are important? Most important because they support our life. We cannot live without these three resources. Let's start from first resources, land resources. Our earth, total earth is covered by land and water. The percentage of land is about 29% and water is about 71%. Land 29%. All land is not suitable for us. So 20 out of 29, total 29%, only 1/3 land is suitable for habitat. We can live only this much part, and this 2/3 of land is not because glaciers, mountains and too cold and hot areas. Only this much land we can use. तो इतनी this land is very limited. So we can use very wisely this land. Land use. What is land use? The utilization of land like agriculture, mining activities and other construction work. This is the meaning of land use. Now we can find out the use of land, the factors that tell us what are the use of lands. The factors that determining land use are the following. 1. Topography. Topography means we can find the physical features, and according physical features we find out the use of land. Second, climate. Yes, climate is the second factor. Land is used where that is not too hot and not too cold and suitable for agriculture growing. Third factor is fertility of the soil. Yes, soil is fertile also or unfertile. We can grow crops on fertile soil. So where the soil is fertile, we can grow our crops. Next, availability of water. Yes, without water we cannot do any kinds of land use. And minerals for mining and industries, we can find the minerals there in our land. The last and important factor of land use is the land on the ownership. Yes, on the ownership, land can be divided private land and community land. Private land, the land which is only single person owned by, is called a private land. Yes, some examples, our farms, our house, our plots. These are the example of private land. Community land. The land belong to our community or society is called the community land. Example, you can say playground, grazing ground. These two are the example of community. Within passing time or changing technology development and transport, their time to time land use are changed, like we in agriculture, forestry land, increasing of population, we can use forestry land in the agriculture and mining also. So changing land are the factors due to increasing population or human requirement demanding because population is increasing rapidly. To fulfill their demands, there are changes in land use. Technology also advance. And third is the development of the transport. Yes, development, due to the development of transport, we can do many uses of land like industries and mining or other purpose also. Now this land is 29%. So we have limited this land. Out of 20, as you learn, 1/3 part is only habitation or use of land. The degradation of land during salinity and human activities. Our land regularly degradation from time to time. Yes, degradation of land. There are many factors degradation. Land, first we can discuss about the many degradation. What are the factors or degradation of land? First is the landslide. Landslide. You can understand from landslide. Yes. Now I will tell the definition of landslide. When large rocks and part of the land slide down the mountains or any part of the earth is called landslide. Can you tell me what are the areas of landslide? Yes, I will tell you what are the results of landslide. In Himalayas belt, like mountains where regularly earthquakes and western Ghats, these are the regions of landslide. Can you tell me what are the causes of landslide? Why landslide come? Yes, there are two factors of landslides: natural factor and human factor. What are natural factors? The factors created by nature. First, earthquake. As I told you, earthquakes regularly comes in the Himalaya mountains. Volcanic eruption. Yes, due to volcanic eruption is the also factor of landslide. Heavy rain. Due to heavy rain, soil erosion regularly and decline of vegetation. So it is also the factor of landslide. Last, loss of vegetation. Due to the loss of planting, deforestation or loss of vegetation is also the example of landslide. The most important, human factor. Human activities also the causes of landslide, like deforested, cutting more and more trees for fulfill their needs, construction buildings or other activities. Second causes is the construction during road construction or any other construction, or mining, we are using heavy machine, drilling machine, or blast for cutting down the mountains, we are using blast and heavy drilling machine. Because of this, there are causing of landslide. And improper agriculture is also the cause of soil erosion, and so it causes the landslide. Now, what are the effects causes landslide? There are many effects that causes landslide. First, loss of life and property. Second, disrupt road communication, rail communication also, and damage power transmission and the telecommunication. These are the effects of landslide. So, due to 29% limited land, we have to conserve our land, and it's very important due to the increasing population. How can we conserve our land resources? First, not cutting trees or afforestation. What's the meaning of afforestation? Afforestation means planting more and more trees. We have to plant more and more trees, and it stops soil erosion. Second, in the desert area, the sand dunes stabilize where the sand dunes that are soil erosion. We have to grow there thorny bushes, and they stop the soil erosion. Third is control mining activity. For building roads and houses or many other activities mining, we have to control mining activities. Third, check soil erosion. Yes, soil erosion is the main factor of landslide. So we have to check where is the soil erosion by checking their fertility of the soil. We have to grow many grasses or plants on that soil erosion area. Reclaiming wasteland. The next जो factor, that is the reclaiming wasteland. Wasteland जहाँ पर wasteland है या दलदली एरिया है, वाटर लॉजिंग है, we have to reclaim